Here's the sample problem number 2. The following interior angles of a triangular traverse were measured with the same precision. Pinapahanap sa atin ay determine the most probable value of angles A, B, and C and in sexagesimal form. So ngayon, dito meron tayong mga angles. Ito. So ito yung measured angles natin. And then this is the frequency. Now, kunin muna natin yung interior angle ng triangle. So, the sum of interior angle of triangle, di ba, 180 degrees. So, ganito. Di ba, ganyan. So, diba, ito yung interior angle, di ba? So, A, B, and C. So, pag ano mo yan, so A plus B plus C, equivalent siya sa 180 degrees. Yung sum of interior angle. So, sum of interior angle ng so di ba yung formula ng interior angle di ba n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Ngayon para makuha yan, so yung n natin dito is the side ng shape. So yung shape natin is triangle. So we have 3 sides. So 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So ang magiging answer natin dyan, so it is 1 tapos times 180, so 180 degrees. So, yan yung interior angle ng, or the sum of interior angle ng triangle. So, yan. Gamit natin yan. So, dito, para makuha yung true angle natin dito sa A, B, and C, so kailangan natin i-compute yung total error niya. So, total is equivalent to interior angle ng triangle of triangle. And then, i-minus natin yung summation na ito, measured angle natin. Yan. So, ito yung sum, interior angle of triangle. So, yan yung 180 degrees. Now, i-minus natin yung ito. Kailangan natin i-sum up. So, yan ito yung A plus B plus C dito. Okay, yung dito. So, yan yung measured angles natin. So, i-add lang natin lahat ito para makuha natin yung total error. So, 41 degrees, 30 minutes, and 46 seconds plus yung B is 77 degrees, 15 minutes, and 16 seconds plus 60 degrees, 14 minutes, and then 15 seconds. Yan. So, i-compute natin. So, total error is equivalent to, so, input natin 180 degrees minus, so, ang gawin nyo, para dito, para mai-input nyo sa calculator. So, sa calculator, meron yung, sa taas niya is fact, ganyan. Tapos, yung merong ganito, ganyan. So, ito degrees and then minutes and then seconds, yung dalawang ganun. So, ito, pindot nyo lang ito. So, dire-diretso lang yon. So, 180 degrees, tapos minus, tapos dire-diretso lang. Ayan, so 41 degrees, 30 minutes, 46 seconds, plus 77 degrees, 15 minutes, 16 seconds, 16, and then plus 60 degrees, and then 14 minutes, and then 15 seconds. Ayan, so yung nakuha natin, so yung nakuha natin, di ba, 180 to, 180 degrees. And then, yung nakuha natin dito na summation niya is 179 degrees, 0 minutes, and then 17 seconds. So, ngayon, makukuha na natin yung total error natin. So, total error. So, 180 minus 179 degrees, minutes, and then seconds. So, makukuha natin dyan is 0 degrees, and then 59 minutes and 43 seconds. So, yan yung makukuha natin yan yung total error natin. 0. So, 0 degrees. Ayan, so yung nakuha natin is positive yung total error natin. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is i-add natin. Yan, since positive to. So, ang gagawin natin, i-add natin tong total error mamaya. So, next tayo is, so dito naman, ilagay lang natin yung summation dito. So, yung summation dito is 179 degrees, 0 minutes, and then 17 seconds. Ngayon, kailangan natin tong weight of error dito. Kasi nga, ilagay natin yung formula. So, yung formula kasi dyan is, kunin natin yung true angle, di ba? True angle. So, mangyayari dyan, true angle is equal to measured. Ayan, yung measured angle ito, measured angle. And then, positive, negative, total error. So, yung formula, total error times yung relative weight natin. Wherein, itong relative weight natin, ito yung weight of error divided by summation ng weight of error. So, yan yung relative weight natin na gagamitin. Okay, so una, ang gagawin lang natin dito, yung makuha yung weight of error natin is 1/5, yan, and then 1/6, and then 1/2. And then, summation natin siya, summation ng weight of error is equal to, so, 5, 6, 2, 11, 2, 13. Ayan, 13 over. So, common denominator niya is 15. Ayan, so 13 over 15 yung summation nito, weight of error natin. So, yan pwede na natin kunin. So, since ito measured angle, meron na tayo. Ito yung measured angle natin. Ayan. And then, total error, meron na din. And then, relative weight, so salpak na lang natin. So, ang gagawin natin is, kunin na natin yung true angle natin. So, for A, ito muna, for A. So, yan. So, yan yung true angle natin. A ngayon is equal to, measured angle niya is 41. 41 degrees, 30 minutes, and then 46 seconds. So, kanina is ito. So, positive. So, i-add natin tong total error natin. So, plus yung total error natin na 0. So, 0 degrees, 59 minutes, and then 43 seconds. So, i-times natin, which is itong relative weight, ito, 1/5. So, divided by, ito, 13 over 15. Ayan. So, makukuha na natin ngayon yung true angle ng A. So, ilista lang muna natin. So, dito sa, next tayo sa B. Pinun ulit sa B. Ayan, i-ano muna natin lahat. So, 77, 15, 15 minutes yan. 15 minutes, 16 seconds. Yung pagbasa niyan is 77 degrees. And then ito, 15 minutes, and then 16 seconds. Yung dalawang dalawang apostrophe na yun. So, plus, yung total error, 0 degrees, 59, and then 43 seconds times, ito, 1/6. And then yung summation, ito, 13 over 15, ayan, is equal to, so, ilistag muna natin lahat. And then letter, yung true angle ng C, ayan, yung C natin is ito. So, 60 degrees. So, paano ulit basahin? 60 degrees. Ito, 14. And then 15. 15 seconds. So, plus, ayan. 0 degrees, 59. minutes yan, minutes, and then 43 seconds. Times, ito, 1/2 ng 13/15. Ayan, equal to, so yan, kukunin na natin. So dito, pwede kayong mag, ano, yung parang kanina, yung gagawa kayo ng equation, let's say, A plus, ito, plus B times yung C and then let's say D, ganyan. So sa calculator, ganyan. So gagawa kayo ng equation. So alpha A plus alpha B, and then times alpha C divided by alpha D. Yan. And then, pindutin nyo yung calc. Ayan, calc. Ayan, tapos calc. So, magtatanong ngayon yung calculator. So, A, ilagay nyo yung A. So, ito yung measured angle. So, 41 degrees, 30 minutes, and then 46 seconds. And then, equals nyo. And then, magtatanong siya ulit. So, B. So, yung B is the total error na 0 degrees, 59 minutes, and then 43 seconds. Then equals. And then magtatanong ulit yung value ng C, which is itong weight of error natin ito, 1/2. And then equals. And then yung D, which is ito yung D. Ayan. 13/15. Ayan, so check lang natin. A, 41 degrees. 59, yung C, 1. Yung C, palitan natin ng 1/5. Ayan, sorry. So, ang magiging, so kapag nakukuha nyo is naka-decimal, ano lang siya, ipindot nyo lang ulit yung fact sa taas niya. Yung fact. Pindutin nyo lang ulit yung may button na 0, ganyan. So, pindutin nyo lang yan para degrees. So, di ba yung nakukuha natin is, di ba, decimal. So, 41.742. Ngayon, pag gawin natin siyang nakaganito, so, ipindot nyo lang yung ito. So, magiging na siya, 41 degrees, 44 minutes, and then 32.85 seconds. Ayan. So, next tayo, next is yung letter B. Ito, true angle ng B. So, solve ulit. Ayan. So, magtatanong ulit yung A. So, ayan. Ito yung A, 77 degrees, 15 minutes, and then 16 seconds. Ayan. Equals. And then, yung B, which is ito. So, same lang kanina. So, equal nyo na siya. And then, ang mapapalitan is ito, yung weight of error natin. So, ito na ngayon. So, 1/6. Nilagay yung 1/6. And then, yung ito, 13/15. So, same lang din naman. So, equal nyo na. Ayan. So ang lumalabas dyan sa calculus is 77.445. So, just in case na ganun yung lalabas, so decimal. So, pindutin nyo lang yung ito, yung button na ito. Yung merong sa taas na is fact. Ayan. 0, yung degrees, and then minutes, and then seconds. So, pindutin nyo lang yun. So, ang lalabas na dyan is 77 degrees, 26 minutes. Ayan. And then, 45.04 seconds. And then, next is the last one, ito. So, ganun ulit, solve. And then, i-input nyo ulit ito, 60 degrees, 14 minutes, and then 15 seconds. Ayan, equals nyo. And then, yung B is ito, B. And then, C is ito, C. So, 1/2. Yung ilagay nyo, 1/2. And then, yung D is ito, 13/15. So, same lang. So, equals nyo na. So, yan. So, 60.811 yung lumalabas. So, pindot nyo ulit yung ito. Para lumabas yung, ito, 60 degrees. 60 degrees, and then 48 minutes, and then 42.12 seconds. So, yan ngayon yung mga answer natin for the true angle ng ito. So, yan yung mga true angles ng A, B, and C. Yan. So, yan yung mga sagot natin for sample problem number 2.